Hey food lovers, have you ever heard of lardo? If not, buckle up because you're in for a treat. Lardo, my friends, is one of Italy's best kept culinary secrets. It's cured pig's fat, but don't let that scare you off. This isn't just any fat. It's a delicacy, crafted with love and tradition. Picture this. Lardo is made by curing pork fat back in a mixture of salt, herbs and spices. It's aged for months in marble tubs, absorbing all those rich flavors. The result? A melt-in-your-mouth slice of heaven. Now let's talk benefits. Lardo is packed with good fats. Yes, you heard that right. These fats are essential for your body, providing energy and supporting cell function. Plus, lardo is incredibly versatile. You can slice it thinly and enjoy it on warm bread, letting it just melt, or use it to elevate dishes like pasta and vegetables. Imagine the burst of flavor in every bite. And here's a fun fact. Lardo has been around since Roman times. It's a piece of history you can taste. So why do you need to try lardo now? Because it's a unique culinary experience that will blow your taste buds away. It's not just food, it's an adventure. Next time you're at a gourmet store or an Italian restaurant, ask for lardo. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and happy eating. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious discoveries. This is V's vlog.